Unraveling the silent killer. Liver cirrhosis signs, prevention, and treatment. Introduction. In the vast tapestry of human health, certain conditions lurk in the shadows, quietly wreaking havoc until they emerge as formidable adversaries. One such silent assassin is liver cirrhosis, a condition that often conceals its presence until it's too late. Today, we embark on a journey of knowledge, diving deep into the signs, prevention strategies, and treatment options for liver cirrhosis, a topic that affects millions but remains elusive to many. Picture this: a bustling city, with its intricate network of roads symbolizing the human body's complex vascular system. Now, imagine a crucial intersection, a vital hub for the city's functioning, analogous to the liver in our bodies. What happens when this intersection falls victim to a relentless adversary, leading to chaos, dysfunction, and, ultimately, a breakdown of the entire system? This is the perilous scenario that liver cirrhosis presents to our bodies, a condition where the liver's healthy tissue is gradually replaced by scar tissue, heralding a cascade of complications. As we delve into the enigmatic world of liver cirrhosis, we are confronted with an urgent question. How can we detect the subtle signs of this silent killer, and more importantly, how can we shield ourselves from its insidious grasp? Join us on this exploration as we unravel the mysteries of liver cirrhosis, arming you with knowledge that could be the key to safeguarding your liver health. The silent onset. A whispering threat. The journey begins with a startling fact. Liver cirrhosis is often a stealthy adversary, silently progressing without revealing its presence until significant damage has occurred. Imagine a quiet invader infiltrating your body, leaving a trail of destruction before you even notice its arrival. Liver cirrhosis often develops over years or even decades, and its early stages are devoid of conspicuous symptoms. Intriguingly, the liver possesses an incredible ability to regenerate, masking the initial stages of cirrhosis as it compensates for the damage. It's a silent ballet of destruction and regeneration, one that eludes the human eye until the final act unfolds. This raises a critical question. How can we decipher the subtle cues that our liver is sending us, warning us of an impending storm within? Decoding the signs. Unveiling the language of the liver. As we unlock the mystery of liver cirrhosis, we must learn to decipher the language of the liver. Much like a cryptic code, the signs may seem subtle or easily dismissed, but they carry profound implications. Fatigue, unexplained weight loss, and weakness may appear innocuous on the surface, but they could be the first whispers of a liver struggling under the burden of cirrhosis. Delving deeper, we encounter the enigmatic tale of jaundice, a condition where the skin and eyes take on a yellowish hue. It's the liver's cry for help, a signal that its intricate machinery is faltering. Dark urine and pale-colored stools further contribute to the narrative, creating a visual tableau of a liver under siege. But the liver's language is not limited to the physical realm. Mental fog, confusion, and forgetfulness may weave into the tapestry, reflecting the impact of cirrhosis on cognitive function. The signs are scattered, subtle brushstrokes on the canvas of our health, waiting to be recognized and interpreted. The ominous web of causes. Navigating the risk factors. As we navigate the treacherous waters of liver cirrhosis, it becomes imperative to understand the intricate web of causes that can tip the scales towards this silent adversary. Alcohol abuse, viral hepatitis, and non-alcoholic fatty liver disease stand as formidable gateways to cirrhosis. Each a potential harbinger of destruction, these risk factors demand our attention and proactive measures. The insidious nature of liver cirrhosis lies in its ability to exploit seemingly unrelated factors, obesity, diabetes, and genetic predispositions. It's a complex puzzle where various pieces interlock, creating a portrait of vulnerability. In this intricate dance of risk factors, the question emerges: can we break free from the chains of predisposition and rewrite our health narrative? The shield. Strategies for prevention. Armed with the knowledge of liver cirrhosis' subtle signs and the intricate dance of risk factors, our journey takes a crucial turn towards prevention. The concept of prevention is a powerful beacon, offering hope and resilience in the face of adversity. Can we, like skilled architects, construct a fortress around our liver, safeguarding it from the encroaching threat of cirrhosis? Dietary choices emerge as a potent weapon in this battle, with a focus on maintaining a healthy weight, reducing alcohol intake, and embracing a diet rich in fruits, vegetables, and whole grains. Vaccination against hepatitis and regular screenings for viral infections serve as strategic maneuvers to fortify our defenses. Moreover, the labyrinthine relationship between physical activity and liver health comes to light, inviting us to explore the transformative power of exercise in preventing cirrhosis. It's a call to action, a rallying cry for individuals to reclaim agency over their health and build a resilient fortress against the silent adversary. The Healing Odyssey. Treatment modalities. For those already entangled in the clutches of liver cirrhosis, the journey takes a poignant turn towards treatment options. The landscape of cirrhosis management is diverse, ranging from lifestyle modifications to medical interventions. Liver transplantation emerges as the ultimate beacon of hope, a transformative journey that offers a second chance at life. Intriguingly, ongoing research unveils promising developments in pharmacological treatments, shedding light on novel therapies that could redefine the treatment paradigm for cirrhosis. But the question remains: can we unravel the complexity of cirrhosis and chart a course towards healing? Navigating the unknown. A call to action. As we near the culmination of our exploration into liver cirrhosis, a resounding call to action echoes through the corridors of knowledge. Armed with an understanding of the signs, prevention strategies, and treatment options, viewers are challenged to become architects of their own health destinies. The journey does not end with passive awareness. Rather, it transforms into an empowered quest for health and vitality. The silent killer may persist, but armed with knowledge, prevention becomes a formidable shield, and treatment a beacon of hope. The question that lingered at the beginning now reverberates with a newfound urgency. How will you navigate the intricate landscape of liver health, ensuring that the silent killer remains at bay? In the tapestry of human health, liver cirrhosis emerges as a silent but formidable adversary, capable of wreaking havoc without revealing its presence until it's too late. This exploration into the signs, prevention strategies, and treatment options for liver cirrhosis has illuminated the intricate dance of factors that contribute to its development. From the subtle whispers of a struggling liver to the labyrinthine web of risk factors, we have embarked on a journey of understanding. Yet, the true power of knowledge lies not in passive awareness but in transformative action. As we stand at the crossroads of prevention and treatment, the call to action resounds. Will we be passive spectators to the silent killer's advances, or will we rise to the occasion, armed with the knowledge to fortify our defenses? The journey continues, and the answers lie not only in the realms of science and medicine but also in the choices we make daily. The canvas of our health narrative awaits the brushstrokes of resilience, awareness, and proactive measures. Join us as we navigate the unknown, unravel the mysteries, and emerge not as victims but as architects of our liver health destinies. 7. The interplay of lifestyle. A crucible for health. In our quest to understand liver cirrhosis, we cannot ignore the profound impact of lifestyle choices on our overall health. Lifestyle, akin to the atmosphere in which our health narrative unfolds, plays a pivotal role in either nurturing or undermining the resilience of our liver. Diet, a cornerstone of lifestyle, emerges as a double-edged sword. While certain foods can bolster liver health, others, laden with excess sugars and unhealthy fats, may contribute to the progression of cirrhosis. The narrative shifts to one of empowerment, urging viewers to embrace a diet rich in antioxidants, vitamins, and minerals as a proactive measure against the silent killer. Simultaneously, the specter of excessive alcohol consumption looms large on the canvas of liver health. Alcohol, a known protagonist in the development of cirrhosis, demands a critical examination of drinking habits. The question becomes not just about the quantity but the quality of our choices, a call to be mindful architects of our lifestyle. 7. Unveiling the emotional tapestry. Stress and mental health. As we peer into the complex weave of liver health, the emotional tapestry emerges as a crucial thread. Stress, often relegated to the periphery of physical health discussions, plays a profound role in the progression of liver cirrhosis. The dance between stress and liver health is intricate, with each influencing the other in a delicate choreography. Chronic stress, a modern-day affliction, may exacerbate the inflammatory processes within the liver, hastening the progression of cirrhosis. The emotional toll of cirrhosis, both on individuals and their loved ones, becomes a poignant subplot in our exploration. It's a reminder that our health narrative is not confined to physical symptoms alone but extends into the realm of emotional well-being. Addressing mental health becomes a pivotal chapter in the prevention and treatment of liver cirrhosis. Techniques such as mindfulness, meditation, and stress-reducing activities emerge as potent tools to navigate the emotional landscape, contributing to a holistic approach to liver health. Beyond borders. Global perspectives on liver cirrhosis. The canvas of liver cirrhosis is not confined to a singular region or demographic. It sprawls across continents, affecting individuals from diverse backgrounds. Exploring the global landscape of cirrhosis unveils disparities in prevalence, access to healthcare, and cultural perceptions surrounding liver health. In some regions, viral hepatitis may stand as a dominant precursor to cirrhosis, while in others, non-alcoholic fatty liver disease may take center stage. Understanding these regional nuances becomes imperative in crafting effective public health strategies and interventions. Moreover, the global community's collective efforts in research and awareness are pivotal in the fight against liver cirrhosis. Collaborative initiatives, innovative approaches, and shared knowledge contribute to a unified front against the silent killer, transcending geographical boundaries. Empowering communities. The role of education and advocacy. Our exploration into liver cirrhosis culminates in a reflection on the power of education and advocacy. Knowledge, when disseminated effectively, becomes a catalyst for change, transforming individuals into advocates for their own health and the well-being of their communities. Community-based initiatives, educational campaigns, and outreach programs take center stage in this narrative. Empowering individuals with the knowledge to recognize the signs of cirrhosis, understand prevention strategies, and access appropriate healthcare resources becomes a cornerstone of advocacy efforts. The question resonates louder than ever. How can we, as a collective, become architects of change, breaking the silence surrounding liver cirrhosis and fostering a culture of proactive health engagement? The unfinished symphony. A continuum of learning. As we draw the curtains on this exploration into liver cirrhosis, it becomes evident that the narrative is not a finite story but an ever-evolving symphony. The complexities of liver health, the interplay of lifestyle choices, the emotional tapestry, global perspectives, and the role of education and advocacy weave an intricate narrative that demands ongoing attention and engagement. The silent killer may persist, but armed with knowledge, each individual becomes a conductor in their health journey. The symphony of prevention, treatment, and advocacy unfolds in a continuum, with each note contributing to the melody of health and resilience. In the vast expanse of knowledge, the quest for understanding liver cirrhosis is both a challenge and an opportunity. It challenges us to confront the silent adversary, unravel its mysteries, and transform our awareness into action. Simultaneously, it presents an opportunity to rewrite the health narrative, empower communities, and embark on a collective journey towards liver health. The final question lingers in the air, not as a conclusion but as an invitation. How will you contribute to the ongoing symphony of knowledge, awareness, and action, ensuring that the silent killer remains silenced and the melody of liver health resonates across communities and generations? The journey continues, the canvas awaits, and the symphony unfolds in the choices we make, the knowledge we share, and the advocacy we champion. As we come to the end, keep in mind that this video is for educational purposes. When it comes to your health, consult with your healthcare provider for advice tailored to your needs. If you've enjoyed and learned from this content, share it with your loved ones. Stay connected with us by subscribing and tapping the notification bell. More engaging videos on health and lifestyle might be waiting for you. Feel free to explore. Thank you for being part of our community, and we'll see you in the next video.